Hi guys, getting here and taking the 5 slimes. So first one was this. I think the first one I made, but I realized this, and it's not even slime, guys. It's just really hard. That's why I call it slime, because I made this out of Play-Doh, well, not Play-Doh, but see here, there's a character in here. Because I stuck character in, and he had to put Play-Doh on his feet. Use a little bit of Play-Doh, got a little roll with glue, I think. That's why it's got like a little bit blue at the end. Yeah, so glue, you know the glue you get from Powerland? I used that. I don't think I used any glitter. See any glitter? No. It looked really close because I used the Play-Doh molten plates and that. See one more. That's it, guys. Yeah, so that's how you make this out of glue, that old and salt. Definitely put salt in it. Next slime I'm showing you is this slime. This is a really cool, nice India slime, and it's not that slimy, more like cream. It will be good to eat. Anyways, I wouldn't be able to eat it because it's toothpaste, but the problem with this is it's got shampoo in. So yes, so this is how you make this really cool slime. There's shampoo and toothpaste for that one. Next one, is this little, I'm not sure to do that to the end, but next one is this one. This one I think I already showed you, I think now, but I'll just show you again. It's my really cool pink slime, and it's really pink. And look, it's just amazing. Yeah, the next slime I'll be showing you is this one. The one's another pink one. This is crazy. Of course, there's something, so slime in this one is not stick. This is the same. That's what I forgot to do, guys. This pink one, it does not stick. This toothpaste one does a little bit stick. This definitely do not stick. Now, the last one. This is my slime I made in a video. Yeah, so I can just like put that on there. That's because it's remembered. So this was next to the slime. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's 5 of my slimes in yeah. So I hope you enjoyed. Can't have a watch and your favourite slime which you like to make. And I'm not just going to tell you this video what this is made out of. You have to go and see my slime video as an ingredient for this really cool slime. So bye guys. That was really cool. This is amazing.